Hello everyone, this is Nitish and this is Plums series, which is Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Here we discuss 5 MCQs daily and this will help you in your UPSC preparation. Today is episode number 298 and I am dealing with economics MCQ. But before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation videos, you can contact to Vysh sir on WhatsApp 7200 681 675. So let's begin. Today's MCQ number 1. Tampon tax is a tax applied on option A luxury products, option B sin goods, option C electrical vehicles, and option D menstrual products. So I will give you 10 seconds try to answer this question. It is taken from the current affairs. So its correct answer will be option number D, that is menstrual products. Tampon tax refers to the consumption levies such as value-added tax that most countries charge on items such as sanitary pads, tampons, panty liners, and menstrual cups. So that's why it is option number D. Now, MCQ number 2. Consider the following statements regarding CIBIL score. CIBIL score is a 3-digit numeric summary of one's credit history that range from 100 to 900. It involves credit history across loan types and credit institutions over a period of time. CIBIL score is provided by Credit Information Bureau Limited, which is authorized by the Reserve Bank of India. So, how many of the above statements are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. I will give you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So, its correct answer will be option number B, that is, only two statements are correct. A Credit Information Bureau Limited, that is CIBIL, score is a 3-digit numeric summary of one's credit history, which involves an individual credit payment history across loan types and credit institution over a period of time, ranging from 300 to 900, which is statement number 1. That's why the statement number 1 is the incorrect statement because it is ranged from 300 to 900, and rest other two statements are the correct, that is statement number 2 and statement number 3. Move on to MCQ number 3. Consider the following statement regarding Tobin tax. The Tobin tax is a tax levied on spot currency conversion with the intention of disincentivizing short-term currency speculation. It is also known as financial transaction tax. It is seen as a means of controlling the stability of a given country's currency. Which of the above statement is or are correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. I will give you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number D, which means all the above statements are correct regarding Tobin tax. Tobin tax is the tax levied on spot currency conversion with the intention of disincentivizing short-term currency speculation, named after economist James Tobin. In contrast to a consumption tax paid by the consumers, the Tobin tax is meant to apply to financial sector participants as a means of controlling the stability of a given country currency. It is a more formally known today as financial transaction tax, and whatever I have written in the solution, everything is mentioned in the statement. So you can also follow the statement, you can also follow the solution and make proper notes so that you can revise easily. And whatever I am teaching to you, I try to put it in the content so that it will be easy for you to make the notes. MCQ number 4. The surplus in the current account in India can happen when record inflow of FDI, that is foreign direct investment, and foreign portfolio investment. Net service receipts increases sequentially. Contraction in the trade deficit. growth in remittances by Indians employed overseas. So how many of the above statements are correct? One only two, only three, all four. I will give you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option C, which means only three statements are correct. Statement 1 is incorrect because FDI and FPI are the part of capital account, not the part of current account. That's why only statement number 1 is the incorrect and rest other three statements are the correct one. So option C is the correct answer. Last MCQ of today's class. Bank balance sheets may become healthier due to central banks asset quality reviews, mandates for stressed asset recognition and write-offs by commercial bank, loan recoveries under the insolvency and bankruptcy code. So how many of the above statements are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. Try to give answer in 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number C, that is all three statements are correct. Bank balance sheets have become healthier over the past few years thanks to the central bank's asset quality review, mandates for stressed asset recognition and write-off by commercial bank, as well as the loan recoveries under the insolvency and bankruptcy code. So all the above three statements are correct. So you can make a good notes regarding that. So that's all for today's class. Hope you liked the video and content. So next episode will be tomorrow. So please subscribe and stay tuned.